Hey everybody, I'm Joy from the Joy of Pilates, your online Pilates instructor. And today is a fun little episode on the channel all about using a foam roller on the reformer. And I'm going to show you 3 different moves that I like to include in my personal practice and in classes where I encourage clients or myself to roll it out in specific moves designated for the front, the side, and the back of the body. Thanks for joining me. So when dealing with the foam roller on the reformer, you want to make sure all of your springs are locked into position so that your carriage stays put. Right away, we're going to start with working our core and rolling out the back of the body. So you want to bring your reformer into that home position locked in and your foam roller behind you. You're going to roll back into that C-curve position with your feet onto the platform. When you're ready, elevate your hips like a bridge almost. You're going to squeeze your glutes, elevate, roll backwards, and then roll forwards. Roll backwards, you lift the hips a little bit and you squeeze those abdominals to come up. So roll back and then forward. You can see sometimes that the foam roller does push onto those shoulder blocks, so just readjust depending on how long your torso is. What exactly you want to be rolling here. Here I'm rolling the lumbar spine right there and the thoracic. And every time I push back, squeezing my abs in. It's actually a nice little surprise ab workout as well. You can get really high or not as high, depending on what you like. And on top of that, roll forward. The last bit here, which is just kind of fun, is you can add a little thoracic extension. If you can tolerate that, or if you like it / need it, you're going to roll your chest backwards over the foam roller and squeeze to come up. Exhale up. You can bring hands to your temples or on the sides if you need more support. Kind of push against that mat. For ultra advanced, arms up into the sky. Exhale up, back stretch. Exhale up, squeeze the abs in. Okay, so that is our first move using that foam roller. Secondly, let's go ahead and go facing backwards. And it's like a plank that you're rolling. You're actually going to roll out your quads, so on the front of your legs or your thighs. And for me, I tend to always need that to be rolled out because mine are just tight. So you're going to face backwards. Bring your weight of your thighs or your quads kind of over that foam roller and then grab on the sides of your machine. It's as simple as that. With a high foot bar, your feet are just going to travel right under that foot bar. No issues. Squeeze that bum, and then it's like you're flossing forwards and back. It's a little bit like long stretch on the reformer, but you feel that core work and strong scapular stability while rolling out your quads. It's a neat little move. You can't even bring it up further if you like over the pelvis, but up to you. All right, you guys, here is our third and final move way to use this foam roller. I'm only going to demonstrate one side. Obviously, when you teach it or when you practice yourself, you want to hit both sides of your body, but you don't need to see my backside all the time, right? All right, everybody. You're going to come stack your hips up, bringing the side of your hip onto the foam roller. You can either bring your other leg, your opposite leg, high or low. I prefer it high because I get a lot more movement. Rolling through and back. Again, that flossing movement. Oh yeah, that is rolling out all that fascia. You're getting that deep fascia release. Take it as slowly as you like. And you can kind of shift backwards, a little more on the bum, or forwards, a little more on the hip. Yeah. And again, with forearm, you can bring it down or you can be on your hand like I just was. There's no really wrong way to roll. You want to roll where your body needs it most. I hope you enjoyed those 3 interesting and creative ways to use the foam roller in your reformer practice. Foam rolling is great for, like I said, breaking up fascia and introducing new mobility work for your body, as well as recovery. It really helps if you've had a crazy workout and you just need a nice recovery for your muscles after you had that crazy hard workout. So again, hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're on Instagram, be sure to give me a shout or a follow or a like over at The Joy of Pilates. I'd love to see you over there too. All right, guys, thanks. Take care. Bye.